never-ending quest to bring you the finest in local entertainment and a wide array of musical styles. We bring you this morning some good rock and roll and some good blues. We're going to kickstart your Tuesday morning with a band called Rebel Train. We want to talk to Steve Kyle. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Got you out of bed. My first question has to be, how much do you spend on shampoo? All of you. No, I'm just kidding. Steve, talk about your band, Rebel Train. You play all over the area?
All over St. Louis and about a 4-state-wide area, Tennessee, Iowa, and Central Illinois.
And you're all from the area?
Yes, more or
You've
less.
been together how long?
Coming up on 3 years this year.
And where can we see you guys coming up soon in the near future?
This week we'll be playing at Cadillac Jack's on Wednesday and Thursday in Bridgeton, Missouri. Friday we'll be doing an acoustic show at the Brew House in Maryland Heights. Saturday I'll be playing a solo gig out in Warrenton at Brewski's Beer Garden.
And if we can't make it, you guys have some recorded music we can get our hands on. Where? What's it called?
Our first CD is called Laying Tracks. It's available at CD warehouses around St. Louis, online at parisrecords.com, and at our website through the mail and our live shows.
All right, every rock and roll band has chicks, right? But you guys don't know this. When you play on Fox 2 News in the morning, you play for chiclets. The coveted Fox 2 chiclets. See? This is your prize. So, guys, what are we going to hear right now?
We're going to do a song called Rumblin' Train that'll be on our second CD coming out around the first of the year.
All right, kick it up.
Towards the end of the year.
Rebel Train is in the house for you guys. Go, guys.
Now here we come, rolling like the thunder. Climb aboard to get out of the way. And we're slowing down to 1,000 miles an hour. Lord knows I'm a rumbling train. Come on! Time has come to settle down. You ask me with a tear in your eye to hang my hat for a while. I don't think so. I got a heavy load and I lost my brakes. No control. Look out now, here we come, rolling like the thunder. Climb aboard and get out of the way. And I'm slowing down to 1,000 miles an hour. Lord knows I'm a rumbling train. Would you still look at me the same way? I didn't try to live my own life. I don't think so. I got a heavy load and I lost my brakes, no control. Look out now, here we come, rolling like the thunder. Climb aboard and get out of the way. And I'm slowing down to 1,000 miles an hour. Lord knows I'm a rumbling train. Rolling like the thunder, climb aboard to get out of the way. And I'm slowing down to 1,000 miles an hour. Lord knows I'm a rumbling train. Look out, here we come, rolling like the thunder. Climb aboard to get out of the way. And I'm slowing down to 1,000 miles an hour. Lord nose of a rumbling train. Rumble on.
Holy cow, if you guys weren't out of bed yet, I bet you are now. This is Rebel Train. You guys rock. Literally, chiclets for everybody. There you go. We will hear from Rebel Train coming up a little bit later, playing at Cadillac Jack's in Bridgeton. Coming soon. Check them out. Rebel Train. Thanks, guys. Hear from me again. All right, John, back to you.
Check us out at www.rebeltrain.com.